AI can help transform lives, but AI developers need tools that make it easier to identify and mitigate responsible AI concerns. They want to put responsible AI principles into practice with the right guidance. To help, Microsoft developed the Responsible AI Dashboard, a customizable open-source hub for operationalizing responsible AI. The dashboard helps practitioners identify and diagnose errors in ML models, while enabling responsible, data-driven business decisions. Let's access a house pricing model with this dashboard. This model advises sellers with pricing their homes, an important factor that impacts seller profits and the ability to access financing from banks. The error analysis tool helps us identify cohorts with high error counts and shows us how error rates are distributed. We discovered that the large, older homes cohort has a high error rate that leads to inaccurate price predictions. We then diagnose errors in our model using Data Explorer, which helps us understand our dataset's underlying characteristics. The tool reveals that old, expensive homes are underrepresented, and that is why the model can't detect these homes when it sees them. One solution is to include more, older, expensive homes into the dataset and retrain the model. Model interpretability is also useful for diagnosing ML model errors. It provides human understandable explanations of what influences our model's predictions. For example, how house features like finish quality can affect a house's price predictions. We can further interrogate our model using feature perturbations, like what-if counterfactuals. People can see how changing isolated variables affects predictions, or determine the minimum changes that will cause the model to produce the opposite result. These capabilities can help recommend house improvements that entirely change the model's prediction. Lastly, practitioners can use the dashboard on historical data for causal decision-making. The dashboard brings together a variety of model assessment tools that make it easier to operationalize responsible AI. Explore the Responsible AI Dashboard demo in our AI lab.